In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize Gmail. We'll clean up what you already have, set up systems to keep things tidy, and use Gmail's built-in tools so your inbox works for you, not against you. Start by clearing space fast. Open your Promotions tab, select All, and review the batch, then delete old promotional emails in bulk. This immediately frees storage and makes search results more useful. While you're there, open a few recurring newsletters you never read and hit unsubscribe. Reducing incoming clutter is the easiest way to stay organized going forward. For messages you might want later but don't need in your face, click Archive. They're out of the inbox but fully searchable when you need them. Next, adjust how your inbox behaves. Click the gear icon to explore inbox types like priority inbox, unread first, or multiple inboxes. Try what matches your workflow. Priority inbox is great if you want starred and important items up top. Switch to compact view so you can scan more messages at a glance. Now build automation with filters and labels. Create filters based on sender, subject, or keywords, and have Gmail auto-apply labels that act like folders. From there, you can skip the inbox for low-priority items, apply labels automatically, archive routine receipts, or even forward specific messages to teammates. This cuts down manual triage dramatically. To surface what matters, star key emails. Enable multiple star colors in settings so you can group by category like red for urgent, blue for waiting, and green for receipts. It's a quick visual system you'll actually use. When you need to find things fast, use Gmail search operators. Search by size to locate large attachments, and use before and after dates to catch older messages you can archive or delete. Combine terms and the search drop-down to zero in by sender, size, date, or subject for a clean, targeted sweep. If you have access to Gmail's AI features, ask it to summarize long threads, batch label similar emails, or archive routine notices with natural language prompts. Turn on Smart Compose and Smart Reply to speed up writing, and enable nudges so important messages resurface when you've missed a reply. Set email-specific reminders and use the mobile widget for quick triage on the go. Handle attachments and time-sensitive emails proactively. Create a filter that auto-labels emails with attachments and organizes them by file type or project. Flag urgent items, add follow-up reminders, or auto-forward critical requests where they'll get action. Finally, customize your tabs: primary, social, promotions, updates, and forums. Enable only what helps, then train Gmail by dragging messages to the correct tab. Turn on desktop notifications and undo send to stay responsive and correct mistakes quickly. With these habits and settings in place, your Gmail will stay organized with far less effort.